What's up, YouTube? This is Airsoft 6235, and I'm going to be talking about MK loves LB. He's a pretty good guy, if you know what I mean, but he's pretty good at Airsoft, about like the rest of us. But we're going to have an Airsoft war probably here in a couple weeks. He's a pretty good dude at Airsoft and stuff. He knows what kind of guns to buy, and I think he's getting a 3-burst. It got 3 pellets coming out at a time, every shot. So myself, I am getting a sniper rifle, and my brother Killer Crown, who is recording right now, is getting a L9 sniper rifle, and we're ordering them on Evike. And if you haven't heard of Evike, you should look it up. They got cheap airsoft guns that works pretty good, revolvers, 200 FPS, and a bunch of other stuff. So you should yeah. Look up Mackie Man or MK Loves LB channel. Just look up Matthew Kelly. It has 1 T in it. He talked about me on his first video, and because I talked about him on one, but so it's all good. Yeah. Alright, well, peace out, YouTube.